and you heard him say munduno andengu na kuwe PS wake wa ingombe indo wale kweona mwiye ndengu itubanda ndio lakini ona ngombe na mbui na situ irasia nondo hiyo tuikedia mundu abathi kuko totabia wina no sanza indo no kwenda ona kweka restocking ukari stock ando mandengu kuno akwana angewea amekuharibia sana. Na hii ndio ambayo tunasema it's not right. It's with a light note of course, but it is serious. It goes to the core of what leadership is all about. They know a Kenya or you na mwekene say you know the world a bit from where I think I've tried to direct you when you are deputy governor, and after that you surely know that Kenya Kwanza administration has very little respect internationally. Ruto alisema nene nienda Trump nikanash kalimatuma Haiti maendeleo support wa Trump amesema hakuna kitu kama hicho. Can you imagine? You say one thing and you have not properly consulted, you are left with an egg on the face. And you represent us. So when Mheshimiwa Mweke, your boss is declared number 2, the most corrupt leader in the world, that one even affects me. Because he's supposed to be our president. Yani Mundula corrupt duniani asinde to know president unaumizwe wa Syria adiposiwa adi their Russia, which means now the reigning champion wa corruption ni William Ruto. Na usino president wetu na mweke wenda tu muamini wenda tu amini usino Mundula musio kutobangea na kuikata. This budgeting process, and it is not a matter Mheshimiwa Mweke atutumbane ndongo isidhisikeke. The rights under the constitution are clear. The right to development. Every part of this country has a right to development, and therefore we shall never beg Ruto to complete Kibwezi, Kitui. Sasa hii balabala bikete kwa siku Mebo, right? To Mwingi, Bondoni, Mwingi, through Katunga. This is the road connecting landlocked Ethiopia with Kenya, with the port of Mombasa. And Ruto doesn't know that. And you want us now, Momba Ndongo hii, Mukese Ruto, tafadhali, the begging time for Kenya is over. You get your right. You get your right. Therefore, we have Governor Malombe here under devolution. Mwambie tu Ruto, what we want from him is to respect devolution. And wame na county government ya Kitui, kuna county government ya Masaku, kuna county government ya Makueni under Wiper, and there's nothing to hide about it. Therefore, what we want is respect for the constitution. Therefore, ile mambo kuzo mtukufu rais, tunakuja kuomba utupatie development, itoe kunyagoto, tuweka Gobinga. Hiyo ni mambo ya sahau, katika kaburi ya sahau kabisa. This is a new Kenya, na hata watoto wetu wa jinsi wamejitokeza kuonyesha the way forward. Na kula ino siika ange kalemeteli. Onamai kumiando Uganda. Kweze lambusia. Nange mwete da. We know the Somali Kenyans are loyal, proper Kenyan citizens. Alright? But if you go and bring people from Kisimayu, tutaambia musivuke mpaka. Our Kenyan and Somalis are enough to vote out Zakayo. Yesterday was a very bad day for him. If you are with him in Mandera, very bad day. Akambua Ruto must go in Isiolo. What a way to finish a trip to the northeast. So the mood in the country is very clear. Na mweke nuru waitui, wana kia kimana, one kwekala wiwi ilikana kwenyu na tuoke kukathia mundu tena ndaia lukoke kuyana ngezi to yaku because you are one of us saingine kubindia nundo na balua wako noketha no gwita balua wa president bai bandu so meka mathikoni embu kuikinyeka akwaza balua president ngokusomea tuambie pole akuwa peana kwa family. So don't be, even because a permanent secretary is far below the president. Let's not waste time at the Tuma Mweke. It is not possible. We are dealing with Ruto aende nyumbani Kenya ipone. And it's a serious matter. Denying people their the right to development is a terrible thing. Abducting Kenyan youth because they dared to exercise their constitutional right to demonstrate, to picket, and then you follow them through the telephones na kuashika kukuweka ndani ya Subaru. That is a crime against humanity. Na hiyo tutafuata hiyo. So please, tafadhali mwekela, because I respect you so much. Ndikwenda tuweza komana ingi tuweze tutono usungiana we waitu ila tuwe komana ingi wewe bindia wazeto ndina balua wao Ruto hii nyame mweke pole kwa Kimanzu ya Mwanga na tuwe kila because we don't, because even those members of parliament were saying they are senior to the principal secretary. Hey, so those are ranking members. Makali is a very senior member, and you know, and county women rep is very senior. They should have been talking in that level, but we don't care about protocol. Therefore, Dr. Kalua, manaka waitwa Ishaka, ndizi kanabado eba kubi. Ngwenda kutungia mubeno ndo ineziolo na kunie kutethe is your family, you know. Because Kalua was guided by the fact ithe mutumia Kalua Maindu na Kimanzu ya Mwanga, even when he used to be superintendent of state gardens under Moi. So I want to complete my remarks by wishing our brother Daniel Mwanga well. It is good that he had given his life to Jesus Christ. This is the most basic thing. So even as we speak, Mwanzia, today will not embarrass you, because you are not 35 years. I'm only 35 years old. And ndikwenda mumbulondo tuna neni. No bakati mumanzia kibiti metuke muno and eziobono. Okay, because the name of Daniel Mwanga is part of our DNA. So you guys are great, but on a way, but on a way, the Kimanzu ya Mwanga hii tuikaleo tabua Mama Veronica, tuikaleo tabua nondo kumbe yenezi ya kubinye wano. I didn't know and I felt very bad. Hii kitu ilinigonga kusikia Daniel is not with us the first time, and natuma message ni wana kwa Erastus Ndonga ndizi kanera steze eva kumangalogosia mutongo. It hit me. Eva Erastus they alinitumia message. And then I said, what is this now? What is this? When I mentioned to my sister-in-law, Auntie Jane, na mweze kadheni umeta bateba tiogo tiba tioba bati tiba. Hey, so my wife Pauline, and it's good, I think in ngumba huko asiae aka uko mobisine wa Daniel, even when I was vice president, because that is how we were, very close family friends, and she would not want to use the office of the vice president to do private things. So anaenda kwa ofisi ya Daniel. I owe you one, and I think I want to bring condolences also my family, Mama Pauline, Auntie Jane, our sister-in-law. She said, "I Kimanzu ya Mwanga, I had to tear." That was the reaction. It was very, very hard. So we want to say, Mungu ailaze roho yake vyema, vyema, and let him enjoy peace, because I can't remember even when he worked with me at Jogoo House. acha ndili kana Kimanzi wa Mwangana atete kana akauma mondo, lakini kwe kadhi yawe itakuwa azia onedhe ndo wa ila machine ne ndomana kiongo kia ngali ya mwaki. He would talk that way because he was jolly. He was jolly and he wished everybody well. He was not a wealthy person, but look at the wealth he has left behind. A family that is wonderful. So may God also keep you together. And here in Nairobi, I used to say, you know, two of those wonderful ladies, yeah, Muka Ngumbao na Muka Juda, ne tumasi eto Nyeri, anduma Kenya mewa ibatisia Nyeri kali, lakini etu ama Nyeri, wonderful daughters who have been married to the family here, and the families where they come from are also equally loving. So we want to see that unity. You tukalea na kama tu mkaleo viutwa na Nyeri na Murang'a nimukore mukwata niemu atukangemela atene. Na ndo zumbi no kone kake nyeno ukaumela wake imani. Onatuka umela ko yakwa anyanya watu twani enamo. Ala tutuye namo miaka yonde. Lakini I am a believer and I know that the gracious Lord loves this nation. He loves this community. If it is about political betrayals, we have seen it all. Political betrayals, we have seen them. I've been betrayed politically, but I forgive all for the sake of this country. And we must go together. Governor Malombe, well done. Hata we shikilia huku pamoja na timu ya Kuba ya Dr. Makali Molu na MCS. Mheshimiwa Ndingo wodhiwa eba MCA wodhiwa weya mundu alikia independent na waipa ile ya mwenye ticket mapema mwezi yake available. He is very solid and I like him. I thank him so much. Mheshimiwa Mwaleka Boni, you know kulasia Mwaleka hizi aseletwe na toka Kitui Rural twatabia ndo maitu ona kwethe akula isio zetu ikaongelana naku, but our people of Kitui Rural walimchagua Mheshimiwa Boni Mwaleka. Is very well schooled in finance. Mwaenda koza sienduino on Tuesday. Mheshimiwa Irene, mukakae mahali yenu, because the only thing that can help these people is if they obtain court orders staying the ruling, and I don't see this happening. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. Although when they were impeaching Deputy President, they were even sitting on Saturdays and on Sundays. We hope there will be no stay order. They attempted to get it verbally. It didn't work. The lawyers were macho. And now the situation is Azimio la Umoja One Kenya is the majority party. And I've spoken to Raila Odinga. I've spoken to Uhuru Kenyatta. On Wednesday, we want our PG, ya Azimio, after you guys have met on Tuesday. Ndio tupange. Na wale ambao walikuwa wanaimba praises ya Ruto na nini, I'm sure you're feeling rather awkward. Mungengojea tu. Mungengojea tu. An example is given of Moses when he went for the 10 commandments. Akirudi anakuta watu wengine wameanza kuabudu. Walikuwa namsumbua sana the brother Aaron. Akaja akawapiga na hiyo 10 commandments. These friends who ran to join Ruto, I want to suggest that they do introspection, and for the love of their country and for the love of democracy, even the 4 or 5 ODM cabinet secretaries can even resign. Wakiresign, Wandai was a majority leader. Sasa ndio waziri wa Kawe. He must be feeling rather awkward. We are going to have to work hard to put this country on a democratic path. Don't be afraid about kula kume amebakani across the borders. Recently, unyumbani wa Ndiangana, Electoral Commission alienda kuandikisha in Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso wakaenda huko, andika huko, muje mpigie wa chama ambacho kilikuwa kinatawala, wakaandikisha. But on the polling day, Anduma President Mahama, who is now the president, walituma message, wana mauma kukwenye mabukinabe muji kunakula kuono Ghana, kila mondati yaandika wili yake, wakati yaandika wili no ndwisi wakakisimayo, ndwisi wakambusia, ndwisi wakawereva, and Sebase and other places. But we want Kenyans, Somalis, Kamba Somalis, Kamba Kenyans, Luo Kenyans. We must maintain our nationhood, and we will stand for this. Oh, I'm sorry I've spoken for so long, but Daniel, rest in peace.